Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password on Spinach.io. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in spinach.io and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Spinach.io website. Now, in order to log into your account without your password if you have forgotten it, there are various different options. You can click on Continue with Google if you created your account using your Google account, or continue with Microsoft if you created your account using your Microsoft account. You can also click on the login button at the top right corner to end up within the login portal. Now you have the same two options within this page as well, which will allow you to log into your account without using your password. You can also type in your email address and then click on the sign in button, and you will be told to check your inbox to enter the 6-digit code. So log into your email and you will find your login verification code. Just enter this code within the given box, and once you type in your code, click on the continue button and you will now directly be logged into your account without using your password. And you can immediately start using the Spinach.io without even resetting or changing your password. And there you have it. That is how you can go about on resetting your password on Spinach.io. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.